have LENOVO Tab for LTE, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and after that let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Lenovo logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android recovery system mode pops up, and right now you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping the cache files, so the device is only erasing the temporary cache files. It won't affect your personal data, so let's just be no worry about this. It's good to sometimes refresh your device by wiping the cache, and as soon as Android system recovery pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. The device is simply restarting and rebooting. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the whole operation will be completed and until the home screen of your Lenovo tablet pops up on the screen. Excellent, as you can see, now your device is ready to be used. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.